Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something really exciting planned and I literally can't wait to open it. I've been waiting so long. JK just came in the mail yesterday, but I wanted to open it yesterday. So, as you guys know, Gabi Demartino has an Instagram page called Gabi Twinette Antiques where she goes to her local antique vintage store. She rebuys the items and she sells it on her online vintage shop. She also has a little vintage shed where she stores all the items. It's so cute. And if you know Gabi, you know that she loves her antiques. I do too. It's so cute. And it's also super hard to get these items because literally her fan base is so strong. The second it's posted, like, it's already sold. So there was countless times when I wanted to buy stuff, but I was literally like just like a minute late and the next thing you know it's completely gone. But guys, when I was watching her YouTube video and I saw her vintage haul, I did see something that caught my eye, so I was sure that I needed to do whatever I could, like, in my power to get it. And guys, I got it. And now it's finally here. I'm so excited. Allie sent this out. And, you know, I'm gonna cut the chit chat. It's time to open this shit, period. Disgusting, I'm literally sick. So guys, it's finally open. Oh my god. So this is what it looks like. Just some tissue. And on top is a note. It says, I don't know if you guys can see this. It says just a note. It says, thank you. I don't know what this on the bottom says, but it's a cute little thank you card. Okay. So, oh my god guys, I'm so excited. Let's start with the item. No, I'm gonna start with the other one. Okay, so this is the item that I got. It's wrapped really nice. Oh my god, it's so cute! I can't believe it was in the video and now I literally get to see it. I'm disgusting right now, but oh my god, guys. Can you tell me how adorable... Hold up, let me fix this lighting. It's really not the vibe. Can you guys tell me how adorable this is right now? Like, Easter vibes. I'm so obsessed. It's the cutest little bunny with a little barrel of eggs. Oh my god, it's so adorable. I can't wait to display this up. Ah, so cute. So this one was $35, I believe. Yeah, $35 for this. And guys, this is the item that I wanted so badly when I saw it in the video. Like guys, this wasn't even posted yet. And I was like, can I buy this? Like, I need it. So, this is the item that I've been looking for. Tell me it's not the cutest thing you've ever seen. Oh my god. It's... Gabi literally touched this, like I'm screaming. This is just the cutest little bunny I've ever seen. It's like so soft. The ears are like bendable. And oh my god, guys. It's the cutest little bunny I've ever seen. It's just so cute. I can't believe I have this. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Gabi. I literally, like, they were just so nice enough to sell this to me before it was even posted. Like, I didn't even know if she was, like, going to let me buy it, but she did. So this ended up being $25. I think it's so cute and I love it so much. Oh my god. Guys, you don't know how special this is for me. I literally love and support Gabi Demartino so much. So to have something that she literally shopped for, and oh my god, I just can't. Like, it feels so special to be able to share like a piece of her world. Like, oh my god, I love vintage and antique. And literally these are the cutest two items ever. Like, total Easter vibes, and I'm obsessed. Like, this is so special. So the total for these two came out to be like $70 with shipping included. So I'm just so happy, guys, and I can't wait to buy more. This is amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!